This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so just a recap, guys. Yesterday we have discussed what? We have discussed different kind of fields, right? Like, let's go to and let's see the fields and data types. Just remember, so please don't forget, these are the basics and very, very important, guys. Okay, so please don't forget the basics. So yesterday we have discussed, we created different kind of fields, right? Like multi-select pick list we created, and also percent pick list, percent field we have created, rich text field, and so geolocation checkbox. Okay, and the auto number we have created, and we have seen the differences between them. Just remember, guys, so if I'm saying the names, so then you need to remember then what is that order, order number means, so it will work like Salesforce will generate that one. And yesterday I have given few points, so you need to remember all these things, guys. And next, currency we have discussed. So like this we have covered all fields, guys. So mute yourself, and once you have doubts then only so unmute. And okay, so we have discussed like this, right? Then next, I'm going to cover few other topics, unique field, and also we have seen required field yesterday, right? If you give required on a field, so if you create a record, update a record during that time, if you don't enter the data on that field, so you will get error. Okay, system will throw error. So simple example is like this, and edit this one. And if you, so this is a required field, if you don't enter anything it will throw error, so that's called required meaning is. Okay, next, unique field. So what is unique field? Let's check it. So let's say email address. Generally I want to make email address as a unique field. Like your data, so we all are institute employees, so storing your data during that time. Suppose sometimes they, by mistake, they have written your email, so in another record also. Okay, so let's say this is Raja, and Raja has an email. Okay, think like this way. Oh, good. Raja has his email, and by mistake, what happened? Our receptionist or our sales team so has given same email to Sudhakar also by mistake. Sometimes we are human beings, definitely mistaken will happen. Okay, so this will happen. So what happened? So in that situation, this suppose our institute wants to conduct an interview or like that kind of thing, and this, so they dropped an email to all that batch. Okay, all of that students, so they dropped an email, and so this Sudhakar didn't receive an email. This is a Raja email. This Sudhakar didn't receive an email and didn't attend. He's a well educated guy, and he also well, so innovative guy. Hard worker, innovative, think in that way. So what happened? So remaining people attended that interview and they got the job, and this Sudhakar didn't get the job. And then he, after few days, he came to know that a interview conducted, and so they didn't send an email to me. Then he made a complaint on the management, and finally management identified that. So yeah, whatever this email has given on the Sudhakar record is a wrong one. Finally, so the business team identified, so email given on the Sudhakar record is wrong one. Okay, so this is the story, guys. I'm just giving one example. So now this is the problem. If you give same emails, then so business is completed. Now business wants to, so you are a guys, right? You are implementing this application. So business came up with a solution. They want to make this unique, and they don't want to duplicate emails. If any reception want, so try to store this email, duplicate emails, other user, other student record email on another student, so system should throw error. That is the requirement. Okay, if any user enters duplicate email, then system should throw error. Actually, this is the original business requirement, guys. Even in real time, these are the terminologies they are going to use. System should throw error like that. So please adapt this kind of names, naming conventions now itself. So now the requirement came to you. Now what you need to do? You need to made this one unique. Okay, if you made this one unique, then so duplicates will not happen. So how to make unique? Unique is like a configuration kind of thing. Configuration on this field means you should go to fields only. Go to object, go to student object, go to that field, email field, just go to here, and so okay, can you see here unique is there checkbox, right? So that means you can edit it. Okay, so edit this one under above required unique and some other external default, so many things are there, right? Forget about all things, just check unique. Do not allow duplicate earlier. Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, now you check it. Duplicate values found when building unique index. So they are saying, system is saying Raja is, so you have given duplicate value on this record and also on this record. So this email you have given on both Raja record and the Sudhakar record also. They are asking, hey, please remove at least on one. That's what they are asking. So go here, and this is Sudhakar. Again, I am pasting here. Duplicate system identified the duplicate. So now I remove the duplicate and save it. That's it, guys. Okay. Let's see now. Unique I have given, right? Good. Nothing is there. Simple things only. And now try to give Raja email over here. Sorry. And try to save it. And now you see here duplicate value and Raja record. They have given record also. If you click on this link, right, it will take you to so that Raja record also. Let's see here. On this record, you have given this email. Again, you are giving over here also. So please don't give. That is the meaning. Okay. So if even our receptionist forgot to add, I mean, a different email and also add the old email, no problem. System definitely will throw error like this. They can't add. Okay. So that is the benefit of uniqueness, guys. Next. Okay. This field is available on student object. That means so on student object records only it will check. It won't check other object records again. So again, don't get confused, guys. Some people definitely think so. Does it check entire organization like that? No, it won't check entire organization. This is the thing. What is this object? So it is a contact object. Okay, think in that way. It is a contact object and check email. Same email I'm going to give Raja. Suppose so I'm trying to avoid some confusion if anyone has Raja at the red Gmail. It will I mean, so it won't throw any error. Why? Can anyone say why? This object is different. Okay, you have given uniqueness only on student object. That means it will check all the student records only. When you are giving unique field, right, it will check all the student records. Okay, so let me show you. So now you see here, suppose how many student records are there? Totally 6 student records are there. If I try to give duplicate email on any of the record, so it is throwing error. What is this error? required fields are missing. Student name is this here. So now see here, okay, duplicate and record Srinivas Murthy. So this email Srinivas email I have already given, right? So it will check the duplicate email like that. Okay, if you give same email, it will check like that. So this is the error again. Okay, next. So that addition Subbareddy. You see this one duplicate value on this record. It won't allow to add. So one more email. So where it will check this email? It will check among only these 6 records. Okay, duplicates will check among only these 6 records because these 6 records are belongs to student object only. And the same email, if I have given anywhere else, it won't check. These are object is different, quite a different object. Okay, I have given uniqueness only on student object, and if we give any duplicate values, it will check only the records which are belongs to student object only. That you need to remember. Okay, that's it. Among the 6 records only, you should not give duplicates. That's it. Next. Okay, that's it. These 6 are unique. That's it. Okay, next. So replace pick list value. Okay, once last one. Okay, so replace pick list value, right? Let's go to any one record which I have given data. Srinivas Mohan. Okay, I have given full data here. So let's see here, guys. And what I'm trying to say is pick list value. How many pick list values we have created? Let's take this one. Yeah. See here, country Scotland. Think in that way. USA, India, USA, Malaysia, Scotland. Okay. So why I have given these countries? From these countries, I mean, in those countries, our institute is running. Okay. Our institute is running in those countries only. That is the reason. Now what happened? So instead of Scotland, in future they want to change the name. Our business team wants to change the name from Scotland to Scott. Okay, they want to change the name from Scotland to Scott. That's it. Okay, from Scotland to Scott, they want to change, guys. That's what the requirement. So because sometimes business might happen like that only. So they want to change the existing Scotland. So now what happened? The Scotland I have selected. I mean from Scotland. So different students are joined from Scotland. Select Scotland. Okay, from Scotland, 2 people joined already. So who are those? One is Srinivas Mohan, and another one is Scotland. Another one is what? Subbareddy. These 2 people joined. Okay, so from Scotland only. Now our business wants to change that name. Okay, if they change name, generally what they need to do? If they change that name, if they want to change that name, what they need to do? So they need to go to fields. Okay, where is the country field? Go to country field. Well and good. Here instead of Scotland, right? So they can add a new field. Okay. First, what they need to do? Replace pick list value. Right. Step 1. Create a new Scott. Create a new value. Okay, let's see here. They want to go with Scott only. Okay, they want to go with Scott only. So let's go and create Scott. Okay, I think in that way. Scott. Save it. Good. I have given Scott. Okay, nice. Let's go and let's refresh these two records. Okay, and you select here. Scott is there. Good. Okay, so they can select like this. Very nice. But in real time, thousands of records are there, or lakhs of records are there. I mean, that means what? Thousands of students joined from Scotland. And what we need to do for existing students, okay, we need to change the Scotland. For new students, we can add Scott. For new student, we can add Scott. Very nice. Okay, good. But what about existing student records? So our management also want to change so records for existing students. Wherever Scotland is there, they want to change it. Manually, it is not possible because thousands of records are there. They want to go with simply Salesforce given feature. Any solution is there, they will think like that one. If you go manually, they don't agree. It will take a lot of time to go and change like this. So for that, they will think and they will ask you, is there any solution? Yes. So there is a solution that's called replace option. Okay, replace option is there on the pick list field. That's it. So let's go to, where is this one? Field. Okay, and so you see here, can you see replace button? Here also you can see replace button, click on it. Okay, do it. Otherwise, simply if you go to that field, go back here and on the fields directly, you can see a replace button also there. Okay, whatever you want, you can use it. Replace link is there, right? So just click on it. Both are same only. And now what they are asking, select value changing to. Okay, so which value you are changing? New value Scott. Exact value changing from old value. So this is a old value and this is a new value. So old value you need to exactly use Scotland. Copy it. This one. Okay. So from Scotland to Scott. So that means what? This is a Salesforce given feature. Instead of doing all these things manually, Salesforce given this feature. If you click on this one, automatically Salesforce will convert all existing records where country is Scotland. That can be changed into Scott because I have selected Scott. Okay, replace it. And this one, replace all blank values also. What is that meaning is? Suppose take anyone, it is a blank country, and what you want to do, you want to convert this blank value also with Scott. That is what they are asking. Okay, you want to convert blank value also with Scott, that's what they are asking. So if you want, you can check it as per business only. If you don't want, please don't do it. So without asking them, please don't do this checkbox. Again, I'm telling you guys, so if you don't ask the business team, please don't check this one because unnecessarily in all places, all empty places, so Scott will be, this will be added like this. Wherever on which record country is empty, on all those records, the Scott will be the output. Okay, please don't do that kind of thing. Replace now. So replace is a queue. It will take some time. Go back to previous one. Okay, let's wait. Refreshed until now Scotland is the right. Refresh, check it. Scott, it is changed. Okay, and also click on this one. And for another record also I have given right. Some, where is Scott? Yeah, Srinivas Mohan Scott is updated. Yes, again Subba Reddy also Scott is updated. See here, we are not doing anything. Simply system is converting. That is the feature. Salesforce given feature. You should utilize it in real time. If any this kind of requirements came to you, then utilize this feature. If you know this feature, then only you can use it. Otherwise, you can't use it.
సార్ చిన్న డౌట్
Okay.
ఈ మీరు వెళ్ళి రీప్లేస్ వాల్యూ చేసే ముందర ఫస్ట్ న్యూ అని చెప్పి ఇచ్చారు కదా, న్యూ యూ క్రియేటెడ్ ఎ న్యూ వన్. సో హౌ అబౌట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ గో టు ద ఓల్డ్ ప్రీ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ వన్ అండ్ ఎడిట్ లైక్ లెట్స్ సే స్కాట్లాండ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, ఆ స్కాట్లాండ్ దాంట్కి వెళ్ళి యాక్షన్ కి వెళ్ళి ఎడిట్ చేసి స్కాట్ అని పెట్టాను అనుకోండి, విల్ ఇట్ గివ్ ద సేమ్ రిజల్ట్ ఆర్ విల్ ఇట్ గివ్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ రిజల్ట్? ఇక్కడ న్యూ లేకుండా జస్ట్ ఎడిట్ అని చేశాను అనుకోండి,
సేమ్ వస్తుంది.
సేమ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో రీప్లేస్ ఇది ఇట్లా కూడా చేయొచ్చు అండ్ రీప్లేస్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఇట్ విల్ స్టిల్ రీప్లేస్ మై ఓల్డ్ వాల్యూస్ ఆల్సో, రైట్?
But for existing records, looks like it might not affect. If we are using any API integration kind of thing, during that time it might be a problem. That's what I'm thinking. Otherwise, it would not given this replace option. Replace option ఇచ్చారంటే బెనిఫిట్ ఉంది, దీనివల్ల బెనిఫిట్ లేదని దాని మీనింగ్ అన్నమాట ఇచ్చిందంటే.
ఓకే ఓకే, అంటే ఇట్లనే చేయాలా అని, అంటే జస్ట్ వి హావ్ టు డూ ఇట్ లైక్ దిస్ ఓన్లీ, అంటే అన్ని.
Yeah, you go with that option only. That is the reason Salesforce has somewhere else something, some mistake will happen definitely. I mean, so data issues might occur somewhere else. Might be that is the reason they have given replace option.
Okay, okay.
If you change like this, it will display like that. But somewhere else you might face issues, not on one place directly. But directly we are seeing here, but backend somewhere else. If we use this data in integration somewhere else, so might be that might happen. That's why Salesforce has given this feature. Okay, they only has given, so there might be a reason in the backend.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Next. So once I have changed it to Scott, and this is no use, so just deactivate it or delete it if it's. So let me, if you know delete meaning is okay, you understand, but deactivate means, let's see what happens to deactivate. Come down. So these are what inactive values, these are what active values. So it went to here. So deactivate means, so it will be available but it won't display it. But in future, if you want to activate it, you can activate it. Benefit, right? So let's see. I deactivated Scotland, and let's edit it and check whether now Scotland will display or not. No, there is no Scotland on the records. You check any record, take another record, okay, edit it and check it. You can't see Scotland. It will not be available over here. Okay, so that's what inactiveness. In real time, if you go right, you can see so many fields are inactive, so many fields are active also. Okay, so that's why I told I just deactivated this one. Okay, that is the meaning of deactivation. That means field is available here but you can't see on this record. If you want to display that field over here, what you need to do is you need to activate that field. That's the thing. Okay, next. Replace. Okay, it is done, right? Clone. Now come to records, guys. Let's play a game with records. Okay, so you know record creation. Okay, record creation, how to create a record, all these things. By clicking on the new button you can create a record. Okay, that's what record creation means. Use a new button. Okay, next. In another way can we create a record? Let's the clone. Okay, next usage is what? Clone. Let's go to Subbareddy. Okay, let's go to Subbareddy and let's click on the clone button. What is the meaning of clone button? We will see. Let's see. Anything you observed here, whatever data is there on the Subbareddy record, every field value you are retrieving and displaying over here. So, and if you just change it wherever it is needed, you can change it. Let's see, Neetu. Okay, I am changing Neetu. Okay, email also. state none. Okay, wherever I'm changing, so I'm changing somewhere else. I'm not changing all field values, guys. So these fields are common only. Suppose think in that way. So few fields are already, I mean, common. It won't change. Save it. Okay. So what we observed from clone button. So clone means it will copy the existing data. Okay, and you can, by using that data, you can create a new record. What is the clone meaning is copy existing all data, that means existing record, and create a new record. Clone will allow you to create a new record, but the benefit is what? You can copy existing record. Why it is needed? Again, the question is why it is needed. Again, see, here one batch came, like Accenture company, from Accenture, not Accenture company, VLR training. So for VLR training, um, some IBM company came and asked them, hey, so from IBM company, management is asking, we have 40 students are there, and for the 40 students, we want to join in your training. If they ask like that, what our institute needs to do, they needs to store that 40 students details over here. So 40 students address is, I mean, like IBM address we can give, and so many details are same only. I mean, so a lot of details are common for all these 40 students. So while they creating a 40 students data, simply what they can do, clone it one by one. Simply they can change the name, IBM one name, I mean to say. So simply, and they change the phone number, suppose wherever it is needed, they will change it. That's it. And they change the email. Email means so that they can give that email only. Only which email? The person who has contacted IBM person is there, right? That email only. So we can give only one same email. Oh, cannot give email, right? Okay. Yeah. And but the city, country, state, address, full address, and all is same. Think in that way. Okay, all this thing, paid, all these are same, and except few. Okay, discount percentage, all the fields are same. I am not going to change all these values. I already had the values. I am not going to change it because these are same for those 40 students. So if they create a every time for 40 students, if they click on new button, every time they need to enter all the data. Okay, every time for 40 students they need to enter full data. Instead, so many value, I mean so many field values are common. So what I can do is I can use clone button. I can create first, I can create one record like this, and after that one I can use that record and I can change it wherever it is needed only. The remaining everything is same only. That means how I can I do? By using the clone button. Okay, that means so copy existing record and do changes wherever you need and save it. That is the benefit of the clone button. Okay, next. Edit means you understand the edit means you can modify the data. Modify the data or a record, I can say simply. Both are same, guys. Okay. Next, you can have inline editing also. This is what? Inline editing. So you need to know inline editing also. Okay. So inline editing means line by line editing. This is one line, this is one line, this is one line. That's called field by field editing, inline. Okay. And you can click on save button also. That is your wish. Next, delete Javed, right? Let's delete this record. Javed record I am deleting. What happened? Let's check. Delete. You know, right? It will delete the record. That's it. Okay. So click on go button and see Javed record is deleted. Okay, let's see here. Javed record is deleted. That's it. And where that Javed record is available, once it is deleted, okay, very nice, but where it is available, so that I will tell you later. And next, anything is missing, sharing means this is separate topic, leave it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now we will discuss about deleted record. So it is deleted, and where we need to check the deleted record. Let's go to here, recycle bin. Like in system also recycle bin is there, right? Like that in Salesforce also recycle bin is there. So now you see here recycle bin. So my recycle bin, all recycle bin. What is the meaning of this recycle bin? Actually, so with whom you logged in? Trainee Mohan. So this is your user in one org. In this org, this is what VLR org, right? So this is a VLR org. In this org, not only you, okay, I can give you access. I mean, I can create a different users, and thousands of users also can log in, and they can see all these records, whatever you created, whatever screen you are viewing, everyone can see, guys. It is like, so like this only. So let me show you. Okay, however, I will create one user, I will show you. Okay, suppose this is the data you are seeing, object records, everything. Think in that way. Think in that way. Objects, tabs, apps, fields, objects and fields, tabs, other things. Okay, like this. But who can see this one? Let's see. Like that, so on. Okay, so this is what Trainee Mohan. Like that. Who are them? Users. These are users. This is what we are training org. Org, I can say one org. Okay, one org. So this is full org. In that you have created so many. I mean, Mohan created objects, Venkat created objects, Monica created. Everyone create every object tab. Everyone can see by all other objects and records also. It is like everyone is entering into a single room. Think this is a single room, and everyone can access that room, like water, gym, everything is there in that room. Everyone can access in that, like that only. This one org means it contains lot of things like objects, tabs, apps, everything. And so every user, they can have their own username and password to logging into this org, and they can see whatever other users created, whatever he created also. Okay, I will show you. I mean, in 2 to 3 classes, right? Coming 2 to 3 classes, I will show you, yeah, how it will work. Okay, so that means different users are there, like business users are there, developers are there. Everyone will work on the same organization only. Suppose you created one object, Mohan created one object, student object, Venkat logged into same org with his personal username and password. Okay, and he can see those objects and everything. Monica created one object and they can see, so their personal user. It is like in YouTube, right? Suppose I uploaded one video and I put in a public, and another person can see that video also. Same way this one also, guys. Arg contains a lot of things, metadata things and records also, and all those can be viewed by all other users based on the permissions. Okay, that we will see later. But this is how the organization will work. Okay, don't think so this is my arguments, don't think like that. This is only so full arg, and here one of the user I logged in, I am doing this one. and along with me, so many other users are there. They can log in at this time also. They give their username and password. They can log in and they can see all this. Even they can they can work with this data also. Okay, this is how in real time it will work. And next, so this is what my recycle bin, all recycle bin. My recycle bin means who logged in? Trainee Mohan logged in. I deleted these records. So more Trainee Mohan deleted records only will be displayed over here. Suppose if I select all recycle bin, so that means what? How many users are there in this organization? These many users are there. And suppose these guys also deleted records. All those records also will be displayed here. All other users who deleted the records, all those records also will be displayed here. That is called all recycle bin. All users recycle bin and only logged in user recycle bin. Logged in user is what? Trainee Mohan. This is the guy. Okay. For now, I am that guy. So let's undelete it. So select it. If you click on empty recycle bin, what will happen? If you click on empty recycle bin, what will happen? Recycle bin. Okay. One is empty recycle bin. Empty recycle bin means it will delete all records permanently from all. That's it. Okay, from all permanently it will delete. That's it, guys. From this organization, empty means permanently that record will be displayed, deleted, and you can't retrieve that record. Okay, that is called empty your recycle bin. Suppose undelete it. Click on undelete option. What will happen? So check recycle bin, no records to display. So undelete means you deleted, and so undeleted means again you are undelete. You understand the meaning, right? So from recycle bin to again to original data you are moving. So let's see here, Javed. Okay, so it is undeleted, reverted. Okay, again it is reverted, again it back, and ID also will not be changed. When you are undeleting, ID is same, it won't change any ID. So you see here again. Okay, that is called undeleted. And empty means, so totally, what is the meaning of empty? You are permanently deleting this record. Okay, nice. Suppose what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one thing like Neetu. I'm deleting this record. You deleted and click on this one, it will go to here. So suppose how many days this record will be available here? Like this, suppose so many users deleted so many records. Okay, whatever it may be. If I delete any record today, the record is deleted. And who deleted? Deleted by this user. And what is the object? Student is the object. Good. But how many days this record will be available in the recycle bin? The deleted record will be available in recycle bin. So 15 days, guys. That's it. Okay, only 15 days the deleted record will be available in the recycle bin. After 15th day, that means in the 16th day, the record will be deleted permanently from this organization. That's it. Okay, so that's nothing but empty. You no need to do anything. System will delete after 15th day permanently from the recycle bin. That's it. Next, empty means, let's see, empty. I'm doing empty, right? So empty recycle bin. Click on it. So I clicked on the empty recycle bin button, empty your recycle bin button. Okay, that means logged in user deleted 10 records. Those 10 records will be removed permanently from the organization. Okay, and if I click on empty your organization recycle bin means, suppose I told you, right, different users deleted so 100 records. Different users deleted 100 records, and those 100 records are available here. Okay, if you click on empty your organization recycle bin by mistakenly, and those 100 records also will get deleted. Okay, understand? Suppose 100 records are available here, and among those you deleted, logged in user deleted only 10 records. Okay, that means out of 100, 90 records are belongs to some other users, and 10 records are deleted by only logged in user. And the logged in user clicked on empty or recycle bin button, then what happens to 100 records? So 100 records won't get deleted, but the 10 records deleted by this guy only deleted permanently, and the remaining 90 records will be stay away. I mean, will be available here only. That is called empty your recycle bins. It will remove the logged in user records only, and it won't remove other users deleted records. Okay, next. And you want to see, I think Winnie or something I deleted permanently, Neetu, right? Neetu I deleted, so you can't get Neetu. Now suppose I want to get Neetu record. Again, it is very important data in real time, so I want to get Neetu record. So what I can do, business people are asking, hey, unfortunately Neetu record is deleted, I need to get that record, it is very important business customer to me. So then what we can do is, we will, I told you, right, we need to, if anything is not possible for us, we can create a case with Salesforce, raise a ticket with Salesforce, raise a case with Salesforce, ticket to Salesforce, directly Salesforce company, by using help. Okay, go to help, and so get the salesforce.com company support, and so raise a ticket, so they will get it. Okay, within 3 months your data will be available. After 3 months, even though the record is deleted from here in your org, the record is available in the back end server. Okay, Salesforce will store those deleted data also, permanently deleted data also, for few months in the back end. Backup servers are there, right? So there they will store for up to 3 months, I think so, I'm not sure. Long back I have seen. And after that one, so if you want to go, right, Salesforce will merge it, I mean, purge that data, and you can't get it. Before 3 months only you can get it. Okay, next. Standard fields and custom fields difference, let's see here. Okay, so as of now, how many fields we have seen? Only custom fields, right? Let's go to one record, let's go to fields, objects, custom fields, let's see. So in Salesforce we have two type of fields, guys, standard and custom fields. Okay, yeah, no need to write nothing. So for each object we have standard and custom fields, that you need to do. For each object, we have standard and custom fields. Very nice. So let's see here, few standard fields, few custom fields. Custom fields are created by users, and standard fields, let's see who created these standard fields. Salesforce only created these standard fields. So how many fields? Created by, last modified by, owner name. Just remember, guys, created by, last modified by, owner. Okay, like that. So that means who created standard fields, who created custom fields? Standard fields created by Salesforce by default when an object is created. That's it. Okay, and custom fields, users, remember, use this word. Users means I am the user, I logged in this one. So always try to use this terminology. User terminology will be used in real time also, so use the same word. Users will create these fields, that's it. Okay, next. So these are the four fields, right? Created by, last modified by, owner, like this examples. name. Okay, that's it. Okay, what is the meaning of, okay, let's see here, standard fields, right? Okay, good. Now let's go to record and check what are the standard fields available. Let's see, owner is the standard field, and the created by is the standard field, last modified by, and the name also. Name means this is the one, name, right? Yeah, these are the standard fields. Okay, so let's see, owner and created by, last modified by. So what is created by? Created by which user? Trainee Mohan is the user, right? This guy, I told you, right? In an organization you can have so many users. Okay, so who created, among those users, who created this record? This record is created by Trainee Mohan. Suppose if this record is created by Monica, so it will show created by Monica. Suppose if this record is created by Venkat, and it will show here Venkat created this record. And who modified at what time? Everything will be tracked, guys. Everything will be tracked. And you see here, created by, modified by, you can't change here. Okay, I can't change created by, modified by data. Suppose it's a, and you see the lock symbol. Lock symbol means you can't change it. Remember the point. Lock symbol means you can't change this value. That is called lock symbol, means read only. These are read only fields created by, last modified by, read only fields. Only for reading purpose, you can't modify it. Okay, next, and owner field is there. Yes, you can change it. So if you click on the change link, and so you see, click on this lookup icon, you see only one user is there as of now, right? That is the reason, so you can't see others. That's the thing. Okay, next, student name. So this is also, you know, when the student name is created. As of now you don't know, right? I will show you when it is created also. Okay, good, I will show you, don't worry. So here these four are standard fields, these are custom fields. Next thing. So I want to delete a custom field. Can I delete or not? Yes, I can delete it. So let's click on this one. Suppose I want to delete this field. Let's click on delete button. Okay. Delete, DEL symbol is the right. You can delete. Click on this one. Delete. That's it. The field is deleted. You want to see? So as of now, edit this one. A rich text area box is there, right? You can't see the rich text area box on any record. I have deleted this field. After full address, you have seen, you are seeing as of now, right? So rich text area box, go to another record, and even that record also you can check it. You can't see that one. I have deleted that field. Which field I have deleted? So the deleted field will go away here. So check this one, and the educational details. Can you see? So you can't see the educational details here because I deleted this field. Okay, good, nice. So that means what? You can delete any custom field. User can delete any custom field. That's it. Okay. Let me check whether I can delete the standard field or not. Let me check. Okay. These are the standard fields. Let me check whether I can delete these or not. So can you see delete button? DEL means delete. So can you see any delete button on the standard fields? No, you can't see. So that meaning is what? You can't delete standard fields. Okay, you can't delete standard fields. That's the one. Okay, user, you means user can't delete standard fields. That's it. Okay, but user can delete custom fields and user can't delete standard fields. Next, I want to change the API name of the custom field. Okay, let's check. So edit this field, edit. So if I want to change the API name, how can I change it? If you change the field name, automatically Salesforce will add underscore underscore C for API name. Okay, so address ed. Okay, I'm changing API name for this one. Let's see, click on save button. Let's go to address field and it is changed API name. Okay, so that means I can change API name for custom fields. So go to custom fields. So user can change API name after field created also. Okay, good. But I want to change API name for standard fields. For these two fields, however, I don't have an option. But let's try for these two fields. Edit and field name. It is a readable mode only. You can't change it. You can't edit it. If you can change the field name, automatically API name will be changed. So you can't change it. Okay? You can't change the field name. Let's try for other field also. Name field. Edit the name field also. Okay? So this is what label name. Okay, let's change this one. Okay, let's change this one. Name only I have given. Okay, let's save it. Okay, and you have changed the name only, but the API name you can't change it. Understand? You can change only name, but you can't change API name for standard field. And let's go to here. Let's go to student record. As of now, you are seeing student name, right? Now you can see the name here. Okay, you can change the name, but you can't change the API name. Let's check edit this one. Again, whatever you change, right? Suppose student name. Let's see here. Okay, you can change only label name and you can't change API name. Let's see. Let's refresh. As of now, you are seeing name, right? Just refresh the page and you can see this is a label name. Whatever you are viewing, that is a label name. Okay, so from this one, what you understand, user can't change API name. That's it. Okay, and for custom fields, user can change API name and label name both. Okay, but standard field user can't change API name, but user can change label name only for name field, not all other fields, only for name field. See here, how many fields are there? Standard fields, so many standard fields are there, but you can change the label name only for name field. Name field means this is a name field, that's what. For other fields, you can't change it. Okay, so that's what. And then, so edit this field, and when this field is created, a name field, that is very important. When the name field is created, answer is when a new object is created, is getting created during that time only. That's it. When any user is trying to create an object during that time only, so the name field will be created. You want to see? Let's go back. Go to custom objects, try to create a new object, give a dummy name. So when you are giving the name here, can you see I asked you to skip everything, right? Now you can see here. However, for another object I will show you, don't worry, you can see here. Record name is nothing but a name field. Data type you can select either a text or auto number, that is your wish. Auto number means you need to add formats. Okay, when I'm going to create a new object, I will definitely show you guys, so don't worry, you see here record name, data type. Okay, so during that time only automatically, let's see here. Okay, courses, right? Let's see, automatically system is adding this one course name. If you want to change, you can change the course name to name or like that. Okay, data, this is a name field only. So during that time only it will get created. Okay, so that's all about standard fields and custom fields. And again, one more thing, you deleted a field. Okay, let's go here. I deleted a field, custom field, and how many days it will available here? again 15 days it will available here. The deleted custom field will be available in the database up to 15 days. So from the deleted date onwards it will calculate, and after that one, so permanently the field will be deleted from the database. From here the field will be deleted permanently, you can't access it. Okay, suppose suppose okay, I want to undelete this field. So what you can do is you can click on this button and delete. Again the field will be available, and again now I don't want to store this field till here. So what I want to do is I want to permanently delete now itself. I don't want to wait for 15 days, I want to permanently delete it. So you need to click on erase button. So click on erase button and click on yes symbol, delete it. So permanently the field is deleted, that's it. So you can't see that field, guys. Let's go to objects, go here. So the field here, as of now, previously you were seeing one link, right? Deleted fields like that. Now you can't see that field. Permanently, the field is deleted. That is the meaning of erase. Okay, that's all for today, guys. And the remaining things we will cover tomorrow. Change data type and custom object, standard object differences also. Okay, let's recap. What is the difference between the custom field and the standard field? What we discussed. So custom field means, so user created fields are custom fields. Standard fields means system created or Salesforce created fields are standard fields. And standard fields you can't delete it. Custom fields user can delete it. And user can change the label name and API name for custom fields. But user can't change the label name and API name for standard fields except name field. So for name field, they can change the label name only, not API name. That's it. And next, so if you want to change the API name for, okay, it's not needed now. Okay, now, and deleted fields will be available up to 15 days, and after that permanently the field will be deleted. Before that, if you want to revert it, you can revert it. Or if you want to delete permanently, you can click on the erase button. That's it. Next, we have seen quick list replace option also. Okay. So next we have seen what we discussed, guys. Another one more thing. Yeah, tab object records creation. During the time of record creation, we have seen the clone button. Clone button means existing record data will be copied to new record and change wherever you need. So in real time, please don't think only these many fields are available. In real time, hundreds of fields are there for a single object. For a single record, you can see hundreds of fields. Okay, you can't enter, I mean, our business can't enter all the data at a time, right? That is the reason they can use clone button. And delete means record will be deleted and it will go to recycle bin, and from recycle bin, if you want, it will be available for 15 days, or after that it will be deleted permanently. And we have seen a lot of things. Okay, so that's all for today class, guys. Any questions, let me know.
Sir,